Hello, good afternoon. Good morning from the Gambia. My name is Pa Malik Ba. I'm a treasury specialist and a crypto enthusiast. I have more than 10 years banking experience in the Gambia. And today, I want to talk about investing in cryptocurrency. The reason why I want to do this is because I can see a lot of interest in this digital currency. Many people in the Gambia and even around the world are beginning to make inquiries, and some are even trying to invest in it. And that being the case, I feel the need to actually organize this webinar today to help you understand what crypto investing is all about and how to get started. I will also share some pros and cons in getting into the digital assets. But before going into that, if you're joining live, please put on the chat your name and where you're joining from. Let's get to network a bit before we get into the topic. So I'm Pamalik. I'm from the Gambia. I'm Gambian, by the way. So let me get to know you. You can put in the chat box your name and where you're joining from. Now, today I want to talk about crypto investing in the simplest terms possible. So if you're advanced in the crypto space, please bear with us because I want to sound as basic as possible to help others understand what crypto investing is all about, right? But before going into the topic, let's look at what crypto. I want this to be as practical as possible. I'll be sharing different screens, and I'll also be showing you how to do so many things. So just bear with me and follow if you can. Right. I'm also recording this session for those who are not able to join on time. You can actually watch this video later. And before going into it, I'll just make a disclaimer that this webinar is specifically for educational purposes. Anything I say or show you here is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell cryptocurrencies. So that being said, let's talk about what cryptocurrency is, right? People hear about cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are basically digital money, right? Similar to the way we have our dollar C, our dollar, euro, naira, CFA, all those currencies. We have that in the digital space. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and the like. So we have more than 18,000 digital currencies out there today as we speak. And these currencies are now being used to do whatever money can do right now. Like whatever your CFA, your naira, your dollar can do right now, cryptocurrencies can do, right? And that being said, let's talk about how people invest into cryptocurrencies. Let me say, I'll just take one of the currencies for the purpose of this training. Like I said, there are so many currencies out there. So I'll just choose Bitcoin, which is the first cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an unknown anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, Bitcoin is actually digital money. Right now, some people call it digital gold, right? They believe it's digital gold. When Bitcoin was just issued in 2009, the price of that coin was less than $1, right? Was just less than $1. Now, the price of that coin today, as we speak, is hovering between $20,000 to $25,000. Sometime last year, the price was actually $69,000. So imagine if you had bought Bitcoin in 2009 at less than $1, you're a millionaire right now, right? Now, that being said, people actually buy this currency to actually hold and wait for appreciation of the value so that they can invest in it, right? So they buy it and hold it and wait for the price of the coin to appreciate, and then they can sell and make their profits, right? Now, how are they doing that, right? First of all, if you want to enter the crypto space, you need what we call a wallet, right? A wallet is basically like your bank account. You can look at it as like your bank account. Let me just sound that way. The way you have your bank accounts, your wallets in the digital space are like your bank accounts. And what I would do is I would share my wallet. Just give me a minute. Let me just share my wallet, and then I'll show you how a wallet looks like. And I'll share links on how to get a wallet. It's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. There are different kinds of wallet. You have the online or the hot wallets, or you have the cold wallets. That's the offline. Those are the wallets that looks like flash drives, right? But let me just quickly share my screen and show you. Okay, great. Just give me a few minutes trying to. Okay. Okay, great. So I'll show you what a wallet looks like, right? This is one example of a wallet, and this is an exchange, right? You can look at it as a bank. We call this a crypto exchange. The name of this particular crypto exchange is called Binance. Binance is actually the most popular and the number one crypto exchange in the world, right? They have so many. They operate in so many places, including the U.S., Dubai, Nigeria, and the likes. Now, when you open an account with Binance, right? You can open a wallet address. By the way, you need a link. I'll share that link with you. Once you have the link, you can actually create your wallet. I'm sure we'll have another session on how to create a wallet practically. I'll show you how to open a wallet. But for the purpose of this training, since we're talking about investment, I'm just going to show you how you can invest in cryptocurrency and what it means and how you can benefit and the pros and cons. Now, once you have your wallet, you set it up. This is what you see. Now, if you go to the wallet here, right? If you click on wallets, you see different wallets. You have the spot wallet, the funding wallet, margin wallet. These are all different wallets for different purposes. But for the purpose of our topic today, I'm just going to show you what you can do with your wallet. Now, if you have a wallet and you want to invest in cryptocurrency, just look at it this way. You open a bank account, you fund your bank account, and then you walk into the bank, and then the bank offers you different products like fixed deposits, treasury bills, bonds, and the likes. Similarly, when you open a crypto wallet, what you can do is you can buy cryptocurrencies. You can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy all these different currencies and hold it. So these currencies, they have value, right? I've just talked about Bitcoin. Let me quickly put up the chart for Bitcoin, right? Let me just open Coinbase. This is another exchange, right? But I'm just opening it for the purpose of showing you the chart for Bitcoin. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, this is Bitcoin, right? This is the chart for Bitcoin. Like I said, Bitcoin was created in 2008. So if you look at the all-time when it was created, the price of Bitcoin, can you see it was 0.06? Now, what many do is, for them to invest in cryptocurrency, they will buy this coin when it is low, when the price is low, and then they hold it. When the price is high, they sell it off and make money. That's one way. Similarly, when you go into your bank account and you buy some of these investment products like treasury bills or bonds, sometimes you get capital appreciation, right? And then you sell and make money. Similarly, you can do the same with Bitcoin, all right? Now, let's get back to Binance. As I was saying, if you open a wallet and then you fund your wallet, there are different ways you can fund your wallet. I'll quickly talk about it. You can deposit your $C or Naira by doing a wire transfer to Binance, right? So when you click deposit and then you click cash, right? You can select any currency of your choice. If you want to deposit dollar, pound, euro, you can choose the same. So for the purpose of this one, we just click on dollar. Now, when you click on dollar, right, Binance would actually give you the details as to how to send the dollar to Binance. So when you click continue, Binance is going to ask you to input how much money you want to fund your wallet, similar to how we have our mobile wallets in the Gambia, like the Africa mobile wallet and all those mobile wallets. So you can fund this by entering the amount and then you click continue. Now, Binance will actually give you the details. These are some important information that you need to read. Right? You must include the reference code. The transfer should come from your account, not just any account, right? But from your account and the like. So confirming that Binance has provided all these details for you. And these are the details that you need to give to your bank to actually remit money. To actually remit money to your wallet, right? So if this is one way of funding your crypto wallet before starting to invest in all these coins. Now, the second option of you funding your wallet is actually getting someone to send you cryptos. Let's say, for example, I know Selu or I know Rama, and then she said, let me send Bitcoin to her. I can just click on Bitcoin, and then all she needs to do is she needs to give me her wallet address. So this is like your bank account. So this address is on different networks. So because we have different blockchains, similarly, when you are tuning into a radio station, you know you have different frequencies. Or when you're sending money to a bank, let's say you want to send money to Standard Chartered or GT Bank. If your account is in GT Bank, you can't just send the money to Standard Chartered because there's no account that exists. So that's why you need to select the correct network so that the crypto will come to your wallet. Now, it's pretty easy. You can select which network you want. You have the Binance Smart Chain, which is very popular, and the fee is just $1. And you have the Bitcoin itself, the Bitcoin network, and you also have many others, including the Ethereum network. Right? So once you select that, let's select the Binance Smart Chain, then it will give you this. This is your wallet address. You can look at these long codes as your bank account. This is what you share, you copy and share with the person that is sending you crypto. So this is the second option of funding your wallet. So I've shown you the first one, which is you can deposit money using wire transfers. The second one is you can deposit or fund your wallet using cryptocurrencies, meaning someone else will send you crypto. We call it P2P, person to person. Now, the third option is actually depositing using your card, right? You have the option here, buy USD with MasterCard or Visa card, right? So if you have an EcoBank card or all these other cards, you can actually buy crypto with it. So these are the three ways Let's say you want to buy BUSD, you enter the amount. Let's say you wanted to buy $100. Then it's gonna ask you to enter your card. So once you enter your card details, you can actually fund your wallet. So that is clear. We have three methods of funding our wallet. One is to do wire transfer to our wallet. The second is to do P2P, meaning from getting crypto from someone you know. And the third is funding your wallet using your debit cards, right? And I'm sure right now, many of you are actually having that question in your mind as to how can I get out, right? You know how to get in now. To get out is pretty simple too, right? When you come to the Binance, this is the home page. For most of you who will create your wallet new, you might have the light version, Binance Lite version, right? This is how it looks like. Let me quickly put it up there. So this is how the Binance Lite looks like, right? This is how the Binance Lite looks like. Now, if you want the Pro version, you just have to click on this icon here on the top left corner and then uncheck Binance Lite here. Then you have the Pro version. Thereby, you can access all this menu. Now, like I said, I've actually talked about how to get in. So right now, many will be thinking, how do I get out? To get out, just click on this more, right? There are different ways to get out. You can withdraw. That is, you will ask Binance to transfer your crypto back into your bank account, right? So you can choose the currency you want Binance to transfer. So Binance will do a wire transfer, but they will charge you $15 for withdrawing or sending that money to your bank account. So that is one way. Binance, you can instruct Binance to do a wire transfer to your account. They can do it to your dollar account or your Dalasi account or your Naira account. The choice is yours. It must be your account. It cannot be a third-party account, right? So that is one option. Another option to withdraw is you can sell the coin. Let's say, for example, I am looking for a Bitcoin and you have Bitcoin. We can agree on a price and then you can sell it to me and I can give you Dalasi, Naira or dollar, whichever. It depends on the person you're dealing with. So those are the two ways you can exit your investment. Now let's get back to investing. Now let's go back to our wallet. Once we set up our wallet and we do our verification meaning you have to do your KYC. That's why I prefer Binance for beginners to start with, because when you get to Binance, you have all these options to trade, to invest, to save, and understand how it works. Now let's go to our wallet and I'll show you some investment opportunities in Binance, right? First is you can have a coin. These are some coins that I have in my spot wallet. And I just buy and hold them, hoping that the price of these coins will go up. So when it goes up, I tend to benefit, right? Like I showed you earlier, Bitcoin went up from less than $1 to $69,000. That's huge. Now, another option is you can buy what they call stable coins. These coins are not volatile like Bitcoin, whereby you have the price going up and down, right? These coins are actually tied to the dollar. Example is the BUSD, Binance USD. So it's like digital dollar. Now imagine you have a dollar account in your bank. They don't pay you anything on that dollar account. But if you have a dollar in your crypto wallet, you can actually place it in a place where they call earn, right? In the crypto space, they call it staking. Staking is like investing, just like going to your bank and say, I want to do a fixed deposit. And your bank would actually take your money, lock it up for a period of time, and then pay you returns on it. With Binance, right, they can lock up your dollar and pay you like average 10%, right? Let's look at it here. Let's use the BUSD, which is a stable coin. Look at it. So Binance is going to give you on your savings 10%, right? And this savings is actually protected. So you have different categories of investing. You can invest in a protected one. Oh, someone said the volume is very low. Oh, my apologies. Can you hear me? If it is loud enough, let me know. Put it on the chat. Let me know if it is loud enough. Is it loud enough? Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let's get back to the Binance. As I was saying, instead of having your local currency, which actually frequently devalues, if you look at, let's say, for example, the dollar C, at the beginning of the year, dollar C was 52 to the dollar. Now I heard in the black market it's 59. Naira was around 500, 550. Now Naira is about 700 to the dollar. So that is a huge depreciation. If you're keeping your money, let's say, in those local currencies, your money is losing value. Now, if you're also buying dollar and leaving it in your dollar account, you're not earning anything on that, because most of these banks don't pay you returns on your dollars unless you invest, let's say, in euro bonds and all these other products. Now, for Gambia, maybe we do not have all those complex products. Most of us, what we do is we just leave our monies in our savings accounts, and then they get returns around less than 1%. But with Binance, right, with crypto, you can actually stake your coins and get a return of estimated 10% annual return. And this is flexible. It means you can actually withdraw it anytime you want. Anytime you can withdraw your money and take your money. So these are some of the ways people invest in crypto. And mind you, if you buy a coin that is volatile, for example, the one I was just showing you, Bitcoin, you need to understand that this coin actually fluctuates. If you buy it high and then the price of the coin goes down and you sell it, it means you're losing money, right? That's why you need to understand this part before you get into it. So for the volatile coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, their price fluctuates as market moves, right? If you look at it 1 week ago, we can look at 1 week chart. 1 week ago, Bitcoin was around 21,925. It went down all the way to $19,800. If you look at the full year, for some of us who actually invest long term, let's say we go and do treasury bills for 1 year, you can actually invest in some of these coins too. But like I said, it's a volatile coin. It can go up, it can go down. If it goes up, you win. If it goes down, you lose, right? But if it goes down and you hold your coin, you do not sell it, it can run up again, and then you can make money again. So that's why many get into. There are other complicated ways of investing in it, but that's too advanced. For now, we'll just stick with buying a coin and holding it for a particular period. So if you have a long-term view that, look, Bitcoin is going to go up, you can actually buy it when it is low at the moment. Price is actually $20,000. Last year in 2020, the price was $69,000. So if you have a view that, look, this Bitcoin, if I buy it now, maybe next year it's going to run up to, let's say, $69,000 or even $100,000, then you're going to make money, right? Because the value of your coin will appreciate. It's just like you buying gold, right? You buy gold and hold it. Price of gold goes up, you make more money. If it goes down, you lose money. And the beauty of this currency is that everybody has access to it. It's just like the internet. If you have access to the internet, you can have access to digital money. And this digital money is not controlled by any government or individual. The dollars is controlled by the Gambia government, the central bank of the Gambia. The Naira is controlled by the central bank of Nigeria. The dollar is controlled by the Federal Reserve. That's the central bank of the United States. But with cryptocurrency, it's just like the internet. If you have access to it, nobody controls it. It's market driven. So if everybody now is buying Bitcoin, the demand for Bitcoin will be high, and then you will see the price tends to go up, right? Now, we're seeing a lot of people getting interested. Even institutions are getting interested in these digital assets. And we're even seeing the US trying to regulate it, right? The US is trying to regulate cryptocurrencies. And I believe when that happens, there will be mass adoption. And when that happens, everybody wants to buy Bitcoin. Imagine where the price of Bitcoin will be. And see, you can do a lot with your digital currencies. You can actually buy a mobile credit with it. You can do shopping with it. You can get gift vouchers with it. You can do a lot with digital currencies. So that being said, I think now I'll just try and open the line and let me get feedback from the listeners. If you're listening and you've been following, please, you can unmute your mic, interact with me. If you have questions, you can ask, and I'll try as much as possible to answer some of these questions. Like I said, the topic is just about investing in cryptocurrency. I've discussed on what cryptocurrency is, which is a digital money, and how do people get into cryptocurrency. I've actually talked about that. You need a wallet, just like how you need your bank account, you need a crypto wallet. And where can you get a wallet? You can get it from exchanges, or you can get hard wallets where you can, these hard wallets looks like flash drives and the like. So you can actually take it offline and you can plug it on your computer and take it online to trade. But for starters, you can use the online wallets, and these are offered by crypto exchanges. And an example of a crypto exchange is Binance. And I'll share a wallet link. I'll share a link. I'll do it now. Let's see. Let me copy a referral link, and then I'll put it on the chat. I'll put it on the chat, so you can click on that link and you can create your own wallet, right? Once you have your own wallet, you can fund it. I've discussed about how to fund it. You can fund it in 3 ways. You can do a wire transfer to your wallet. You can buy from someone else that you know, or you can use your debit card to buy crypto. Now, when you have the crypto, you can invest in it. You can buy either a stable coin, which is a digital dollar, let's say Binance USD. The price of it is tied to the dollar. So if you buy it, you can actually stake it, and then you can get returns on it. Binance would give you rewards on your stakes. The second is you can buy a volatile currency like Bitcoin, because the price goes up and down. If you have it, if the price goes up, you can sell it, and then you can make your money. If the price goes down, you can hold until it goes back up, and then you can sell. So that's basically what people do. Aside this, you have people that actually, start scamming people on these cryptocurrencies. They'll tell you, oh, there's one currency, one coin. They start hyping it. You go in there and it becomes like a rock pool. What that means is you buy it and then they just go away with your money, right? So there are so many coins out there. You need to do your research and understand which coin you're buying. But the most popular that I would say that even institutions are buying, like big banks are buying it, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are 2 major digital currencies that even institutions are buying right now, and they're adding it to their balance sheet. So they're actually investing in these currencies, similar to how we are doing. They buy and hold. If the price goes up, they sell it. If the price goes down, they hold or they buy more, right? So now I'll stop sharing, and I like to interact with the listeners. If you're listening, let me allow everyone to speak. If you're listening, you can just tap on the microphone, and then you can interact with me. You can ask me any question, and I'll be happy to take you through. You can tap on the microphone if you want to speak. But basically, I think I've actually talked about what crypto investing is. Yes, Rama. I think Rama's trying to speak.
Yeah, hey, good morning, everyone. I have a question. I use Exodus. And the other day I tried to buy some crypto from the Exodus wallet, but still, so I don't know how can I go around that. I tried to buy using my Visa card, but I got a debit from my Visa card, but nothing, it fails. Nothing, it fails. So I don't know how to go around it. If you want to buy it, what I mean, buy it independently on a regular basis, what would you advise, or how do you go about that? Hello? This is my internet.
Hello, Rama. I don't know whether I've got your question clearly, but I think what I've heard you say was, if you were trying to buy with your card and you were having challenges, some banks actually restrict their cards from buying cryptocurrencies, right? If your bank restricts that, then you will not be able to buy with your credit or debit card, right? You will need a bank that actually supports this card. For example, I think, if I'm not mistaken, some people use the EcoBank Gambia card because you can use it to buy cryptocurrency. And I'm not sure any other card, but I learned that the debit card, the EcoBank debit card, can be used to buy crypto. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, yeah, that answers it. I didn't know that. I tried to use an
Okay.
Access Bank debit card.
Okay, you tried the Access Bank debit card, right?
What?
Okay, it may be restricted. That's why you can't buy. But like I showed earlier, there are different ways you can actually buy cryptocurrencies. If the card doesn't work, you can actually do a remittance, a wire transfer to Binance. If that doesn't work, you can buy from the community, right? We have a crypto community in Gambia. They can actually help you buy crypto. You can actually buy from someone else. So like I showed earlier, you have 3 ways of buying crypto. You can use your card, you can do a wire transfer, or you can do P2P. That is from someone that you know you can buy from. So by the way, let me ask, which wallet do you have? Because I would like to show that some of the use cases of crypto. And I know I've bought credit with my crypto. So today I'll demonstrate that. One lucky winner here today would go home with a 25 BUSD. If you have your Binance wallet open and fully verified, you can actually win a 25 BUSD. So you can win crypto. If you want it as a mobile credit, I can do that, and I can demonstrate that here. If you want it as crypto, you can also share your wallet address. So I've shared a link on the page. The link, you can use it to actually create a wallet. Maybe we can go through it quickly, right? If you have, let me share my screen. So I've shared a link. You can all see this link, right? I've actually posted it. So if you click on this link, let me click on the link. So if you click on this link, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to actually open a wallet, right? For those of you who are looking into getting into crypto. So if you click that link that I've shared on the group, right, it will open a web page for you, right? So you will see this web page. You will see this web page. Can you all see this web page? So this is how to create a wallet, right? I'm just quickly showing you how to create a wallet. So somebody is saying he missed the minimum that they can use to buy crypto. I think the minimum you can do on some exchanges is, I think, $10 to $20, right? And I think that's roughly about, let's say, if it is the $C and you're using the black market rate at 59, let's say for $15, that would be about $885, right? So you can invest as low as that. And let's say you have a savings account of, $10,000 or even $2,000. You can actually diversify it and say, look, I'm going to take half of my savings and invest in cryptocurrency because I want to grow my money. I don't want my money to devalue and then I lose value. So you can actually buy cryptocurrency, part of it, and then hold it. So like I said, if you want to open a wallet, right, you just click on that link and then click Get Started. So once you click Get Started, Binance will actually ask you to sign up with different accounts. You can sign up with your Google account. You can sign up with your Apple account if you have an Apple account, or you can just click and sign up with any email address and password, right? So let's quickly do that. So I can just put in my email address. Right, I can put in my password. Right, so it will ask you for password complexity. It will tell you it needs minimum 8 character and all that thing. And then you click read and then you create a personal account. So Binance would do this. This is just to check that you are not a robot or you are not a bot that is trying to open a wallet. So you just have, it's like a puzzle. So you drag it and put it in the puzzle here, and then that's it. Now it would send you an email, right, just to verify your email. So it will send you a code. So we can get that code from our email. I'll just quickly go to my email to get the OTP. So Binance is just trying to confirm that you are not a robot trying to create an account. Okay, so I have received the code. I'll just quickly type it here. 303 5, right? And that's the verification code. Now my email is verified. So Binance has verified my email. So this is the first step of creating your wallet, right? Now the next step Binance will actually ask you is to verify your account, right? Just like how you open a bank account where you actually do KYC. So this is why I like Binance, because they do some level of KYC, which actually for me gives me some level of comfort that it's legit. It's nothing like scam and all that. So once you verify your account, it will ask for identity verification, right? So it will ask you to select your country, right? So you can just type, if you're from Gambia, like me, you type Gambia, right? And then it will ask you for this information. So you have to provide your personal information, your government issued ID, and do facial recognition, and then get your account verified. So you will just have to fill in these details, your date of birth, your name, and all that, similar to how you open an account, like I said earlier. So you're basically opening a crypto wallet. Please, if you have any questions, let it be interactive, right? Let me know if you understand what I'm saying, because I'm basically showing you how to get a wallet, how to get started. This is how to get started in the crypto space. First, you need a wallet. And to get a wallet, you need an exchange. So Binance, this is Binance, an exchange that provides a wallet. I like you.
Yeah. I guess me later on I will come with more of a non-beginner questions, but I'll let you
Okay,
to.
okay,
I'll let you.
okay, great, great. So once you verify your account, let me quickly share my account. I'm already verified, but this is how to do it. You select your region, you select your country, and then you fill in your details, right? You can fill in your details. I have a middle name. You can just choose any, date of birth. You can just choose, let's say, by the way, this is not my date of birth. I'm just choosing a random date, right? Just to show you. The Binance needs, let's say I was born in 2000, year 2000. So minimum age required is 18 years, by the way. So you must be 18 years and above before you can actually have a crypto wallet, right? Let's say, let's say this is my date of birth, right? Okay, so I've chosen my country and I've chosen, let's say, my address, right? I can choose this. I can, okay, we don't have postal code, right? So now it's going to ask me for my ID card. So for Gambia, it will ask you for passport. Other countries, it may ask for different document, right? Either a driver's license or maybe another form of identification. But for Gambia, it will ask you for your passport, and then you have to upload your passport, right? So this is the steps. These are some of the steps that you take to actually verify your account. So once your account is verified, you can start funding your wallet, as I've just shown you, right? You can fund your wallet. Let me quickly share my screen and show you when. Let me quickly share my screen and show you when your account is verified, how it looks like. Okay. Okay. So when your account is verified, right, you would you see your wallet when you go to the icon here. You would see under verification, verified, right, on this top right corner here. If you click on it, it will show you it has two-step verification. You have the first, which is the basic verification, and then you have the advanced verification. So I'm already verified for the first level. So with this verification, you are allowed to deposit about $50,000 every day, and you are allowed to withdraw $50,000 every day. That's the limit. And you can do P2P transactions, like I explained earlier, how to fund your wallet. And then you can do a lot more when you verify your account. So I have been verified and my account, my verification is completed. If let's say you want to use it as a business, you can do verified plus. And this one, it's just going to increase your limit to 2 million daily. And you can do a lot more, right? But for our purpose, we don't have much money. So we're fine with just the basic verification. So once you get your basic verifications done, you can actually start doing a lot of things. You can actually even, let's say you can buy a mobile credit, right? Let's do this. Let's say Bitrefill on the Binance. You have Bitrefill. You can actually, these are some disclaimers Binance is actually telling you, like Bitrefill is a third party and all that. So you can read it. So I can actually choose a product that I want to buy. I want to um, let's say I want to buy Africa credit. I can actually filter. Let me see. refill. Yeah, there's a particular third party that I want to show you where you can actually use your crypto. You can use your crypto to do a lot. You see, you can buy gift cards. You can use it to order taxi in certain markets because they are advanced, right? Let's say you have a business, you can actually use crypto to pay your NAWEC bill if it is possible. So I'm just trying to find. Okay, because I used to see, okay, phone refills. Okay, okay, there's a particular. Okay, I think it's here. So we can search Gambia, right? And let's say, let me just pick one random number. So you can actually top up this credit. You can actually buy credit AfriCell with this, and the mobile will be recharged, and my crypto will be actually debited. So that's just some utilities I'm trying to show here. That with crypto, it's not only investing that you can use it for. You can also use it to do shopping. You can buy gift cards. You can even buy games. You can do a lot with it. You can do a lot. Right now you have some banks where you have huge transaction fees. With the advent of crypto now, people can actually use this. Let's say Navec now partnered with Binance. People can buy cash power at very cheap rates, very cheap rates, and you can transfer money from one person to another at just, let's say, $1. I can be in the United States and send money to my family in Gambia at the cost of just $1. If you want to do it with traditional banks, it's going to cost you more, right? Yeah, so like I explained, when I'm verified, there's a lot I can do. I can now fund my wallet, right? I can stake my coins. Let's say I want to buy, I can just go to trade and then buy a particular coin. There are so many things you can do. You can even do forex trading here. Let's say euro and dollar. Right now, we've seen that even dollar is stronger than euro. €1 is $0.9946. This. I think I've never seen this since I started my journey in the treasury space. And now we're seeing dollar being stronger than euro. People also invest in these things. They can actually take positions. You buy euro when it is cheap, when it is high, you sell it. And when you have your crypto too, you can actually stake, like I explained earlier. You can stake it. You can do a lot. There are a lot of functionalities in Binance, but just not to confuse you, right? We're just looking at buying crypto, holding it, and waiting for it to the price of the crypto to actually run up, and then you can sell and make your gains. Or you can use what we call stable coins. These are dollar coins like this BUSD. You can actually stake it and earn some returns on it. So Binance would lock your crypto and then use it to maybe invest in other projects, and whatever returns they have, they're going to pay you. So they have different coins, and these are the different returns on the different coins. Some coins are very volatile. This one, you're going to lock it for 120 days. This is like a fixed deposit. Some can be flexible, like this one. You can withdraw it anytime, and they're going to pay you like estimated 10% on the return. So they're going to use your coins to invest in other projects, and whatever return that they have, they're going to share with investors. So this is an estimation of how much you can get on your stable coin. So yeah, that's it. Please, if you have questions, feel free to unmute, and then you can talk to me. Please feel free to talk to me if you have questions.
Another question for me. Can you have two wallets? For instance, if I have a Binance is easier to do transactions. Is it possible to go to Binance and do that?
Yeah, so you can have as many wallets as you want, right? There are some wallets that are decentralized, meaning you actually control whatever the security, the management of your wallet, storage, everything is done by you, right? So the reason why I show Binance here is because it's pretty easier, and there's a lot you can do in Binance. You can trade, you can buy one coin with the other. You can buy one coin and another. You can actually, and there are a lot of features in Binance, but you can have multiple wallets. Just to answer your question, you can have so many wallets as you wish. There are wallets that are standalone, like MetaMask. You don't need even verification, like identity verification. You can be anonymous. Open a MetaMask wallet, and then you're good to go. Any other question? I think Sello had a question.
Hello, Malik.
Hi, Mustafa.
Yes. Okay. How do we get access to the cryptocurrency community in Gambia?
Okay, you're currently joining the Telegram group that you're in. You have a lot of Gambians there who are crypto enthusiasts, right? And they're part of the community. So if you have a question, you put it on the chat. Someone will really answer you.
All right, that's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do we have another question?
Okay, let me just ask this because I have a challenge buying crypto online using Visa card. Who do you think amongst the group would be, let's say, the go-to person if I wanted to buy some crypto? To do the P2P.
You can just put it. Okay, you can just put it on the chat. I know a couple of guys on the group. Really, when you put it on the chat, they're very responsive. They can actually get back to you.
All right, that's good. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I think P2P in Gambia is the fastest and cheapest way of buying cryptocurrencies, because some cards, if you want to use some cards, the rate at those cards are really high, right? You can be charged as high as $60 for $1, right? So if you want to trade, most of the people references the black market rate, which is around 59 thereabout. If you want to buy crypto in the Gambia, but if you want to use your card, it can be way more than that.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you for the question. So someone was asking whether we have other wallets, right? You can have another wallet. I'll just show an example of another wallet, which is the decentralized wallet. You have what they call MetaMask, right? So MetaMask is also another wallet, but it's different from Binance. Binance is a centralized exchange, meaning it's a company of its own. It's controlled by some people, and it's an exchange where you can create based on their terms. You have to do KYC and all those things, verify yourself, let them know that you are not fake, and they can actually trace you because they have your ID or passport, and they do so many verifications. But you have other wallets that are decentralized, right? You can be anonymous. They don't need you to provide your ID or anything. You can just go to MetaMask, right? You can just go to MetaMask, and you can even download it on your app store. If you go to MetaMask or Trust Wallet, there's another one called Trust Wallet. you can go there and then you can just register with it. But like I said, for the purpose of this training, I'm showing Binance because of the ease of trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, because they have different products for beginners, and they also have a learning site, right? You can actually visit the Binance Academy, right? This is the Binance Academy, and then you can learn about crypto. They will go to the basics. They'll tell you what cryptocurrency is. You see, they'll show you what cryptocurrency is. It's just Binance Academy. I can just copy it. I can paste it on the Telegram chat for your information if you want to have additional knowledge on what it is. So you can learn. It's very basic. It will tell you what cryptocurrency is, how to get started, and then it will show you also how to investing in cryptocurrency. I've talked about it earlier, right? I've mentioned that many people actually buy the currency and hold it, right? There's a term in the crypto space. They just interchange the O and the D or the L and the D, because when they were writing the first code in the blockchain, I think someone actually mistakenly did this, and many people start adopting this to mean buying and holding the coin until the price appreciates, then you sell. So most investors in crypto, what they do is they just buy, let's say, Bitcoin, and then they hold it in their wallets until the price goes up, and then they sell it, right? Like I said, Bitcoin was less than $1, and now it's about $20,000. So there's a huge capital appreciation there. And right now we're in a bear market. What that means is prices of these coins have actually gone so low from all-time highs last year. They're now so low. If you buy it, for example, there's a high chance that they're going to go up, and the value of your money is going to go up. Let's say you buy $100. Next year, the price of your coin doubles to $200, and maybe you just invested $1,000, and now the value of your coin is now worth $2,000. So it has appreciated. So that's how some people basically invest in crypto.
Okay, so at this stage, I don't. What coins would you recommend people to buy? Which ones do you see or foresee as having high appreciation value?
So it depends on your risk appetite, I would say. So some people are risk averse, some are high risk takers, right? If you're risk averse, I've just shown you in Binance how you can actually stake dollar, because those stable coins are tied to dollar. The value of the price of the coin is actually 1-to-1 to the dollar. Let me share my screen again. Maybe I can demonstrate that.
So you mean the USDC, right?
Sorry, you say what?
Did you say the US? You can also share the ones that don't need regular identification. This can be kind of like a go through that. I think you are muted, ma. We can hear you.
Go ahead, Rama. Can you hear me?
We can hear you. I thought you were muted at first, so it's fine now.
Oh, my apologies. Okay, so I was just showing you that to your question, these stable coins, they're just like dollars. So example of these stable coins are Binance USD and USDT and USDC. So these ones you can buy and stake it. What I mean by staking is you're gonna put it under the Earn wallet where they're gonna give you returns on it. So it's like you're saving dollar and then they're paying you on your dollar. So that's the most, I would say, that's the less volatile and less risky form of investing in cryptocurrencies. So, but if you are a risk taker and you think you can handle volatility of the price of, let's say, Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin now and you can watch it. It can go up, it can go down. If it goes up, the value of your coin goes up, and then it means you have.
Okay.
Apologies, the network kind of just tripped off.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay,
We can hear
great.
you.
Okay, great. So yeah, that's it. So like I said, the examples are Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, and BUSD. So you can buy those ones and then you can stake them, right?
Right.
And to stake them, you can actually do this. Let me just show an example how to stake or how to save a stable coin. So this is my Binance wallet, right? If you have it, this is what you see. This is your home page. You just go to your wallet here, and then you go to Earn. Scroll this one here, Earn. So once you click Earn, you can click Subscribe. It means you're actually placing your coin. So you're trying to look for a stable coin, right? Not a volatile coin. So you can type up here. You can either type BUSD, BUSD, this one, right? Which is a stable coin, or you can type USDT, right? Which is also another stable coin, and then you can click on it, and then it will ask you the amount you want to invest, and then it will tell you the estimated return that you can get from that investment. So let me try BUSD, for example. I have a BUSD. Now I can, let's say, do $100. I want to invest $100. It's saying that it's gonna pay me estimated return every day. It's gonna pay me 0.03 cents every day. So every day I get paid for locking my coins.
I think it's higher than what uh, when you stake with
Oh yeah. You see, right now, if you have your Dalasi in your Dalasi account or your Naira account, the money, the rate at which they pay you is next to nothing, right? But this one, they pay you every day. It's not like they wait for a whole year or a particular quarter to pay you. No, as long as you stake your coins and that money is working somewhere and it's earning returns, they're gonna share the profit with you. So they're gonna pay you. Like they said, this can vary, right? The rate can vary because they don't know how much they're making. So how much, it depends on how much they make. That's what they share with investors. So you keep earning every single day for locking $100. So let's say I lock this $100 for 6 months, right? I can get as high as 10% on it, right? But it's gonna be annualized. So 6 months will be 5%, right?
Yes, yes. Sorry. The difference volatile. I missed that. Sorry. My network.
Hello? Sorry, you said, can I differentiate what?
Between a stable coin and a volatile coin.
Okay. A stable coin is a coin that has its price tagged to the dollar. So it's not, the price of the coin changes as the dollar changes. If the dollar is 1, the stable coin will be 1. If the dollar is 2, the stable coin will be 2. So that's a stable coin. As the name suggests, it's stable, right? The price doesn't change. Unlike, let's say, the Dalasi. The Dalasi is not a stable coin. The Dalasi, when dollar increases, if the rate of dollar goes up, your Dalasi value goes down, right? So there are differences. If you buy a coin like Bitcoin, whose value is not exactly as $1, like it's not equal to the dollar. So Bitcoin is currently $20,000. One Bitcoin is equal to $20,000. That's the price. It can go up, it can go down, right? Bitcoin can get stronger and let's say go to $30,000. So one Bitcoin is $30,000. Tomorrow it can go down and become $25,000. But for stablecoin, it's just the same as the dollar. So that's the difference. This one is stable, this one is volatile because the price changes as market moves against the dollar. Yeah, someone asked whether they can sell their wallet. So you can actually sell your coins in your wallet. So your wallet is like your bank account. So what is in your wallet is what you can sell. So you can sell your coins and it will not be a struggle. I've shown 3 ways at which you can sell your coins. One is you can ask the exchange, which is Binance, to do a wire transfer to your account anywhere in the world. It depends on you. It must be your account. If you have an account in the US, if you have an account in Gambia, anywhere, right? You can ask Binance to do a wire transfer to your account. That's one way of selling your coins, withdrawing your coins, and getting your currency back. Second is you can actually sell to anyone. Let's say, for example, I am looking for a BUSD or a Bitcoin, and you have it. I can come to you and say, just like Rama is looking for somebody to sell to her. So you can actually say, look, I have BUSD 100 and you are looking for BUSD 100. This is my rate. I'm selling it to you at $59. So you will give me $5,900 and I'll transfer my BUSD to your wallet. I hope that is clear.
Hello, Malik.
Hi, Mustafa.
Yes. Now, regarding the P2P.
Yes.
Right. The rate is determined by Binance or by the individual.
So the rate is determined by the individual, right? And it also depends on the market that you are in. So if the rate for the P2P, somebody can choose to say, I'm going to sell at, let's say, 58 to the Dalasi. Somebody can decide to sell at 59 to the Dalasi. Some can even decide to sell at 60 to the Dalasi. So you own your coins. It's your commodity, right? So you own it. You decide what you want to sell it. It depends on the buyer to negotiate with you and say, look, I want it, but this is how much I can pay. And you negotiate. So it's pretty fair, right?
Yeah, so that's fine.
Just like the local black market exchange then.
Yeah, so most people actually reference local black market because that's where you're going to get dollar anyway. So let's say you want to send money to your family in Senegal. if you don't use crypto, you're going to go to the black market or you're going to go to the banks. So if you go to the banks, maybe they may ask for supporting documents or they may not have the currency. You have to wait for a while. But if it is urgent and you can't find it from the banks, you have to go to the black market. And mostly in most African countries, the black market rate is most of the time higher than the official rate. So if you go to the black market, that's the rate you're going to get dollars. So that's the rate most people will reference if they want to sell their crypto, because most people want to sell at the black market.
If you are telling me crypto, I will give you the rate from the central bank and you tell me on that rate. That is my I said, if I am buying your crypto, I will give you the rate from the central bank to the dollar to the dollar.
Do you think the seller will sell to you at that rate? Well, it depends. It depends. So it depends also where the person got the crypto from. So you can buy. I can buy with my card. Maybe you cannot buy with your card, but maybe I can buy with my card, and maybe my card is charging me $60 for that crypto. And if you want to buy that crypto lower than $60, I don't think any rational person would actually sell below where they buy their crypto at, right? So that's why it always depends on where you buy. If you can buy it cheap, like at the central bank rate, why not? You can actually sell the same rate. So it always depends on where you buy.
Crypto tycoons like you and Alafa.
Oh, no. Hold on. I'm not crypto tycoon. I'm learning like you. I'm learning like you.
All right.
All right then. I think we've covered a lot today. Maybe we would have different topics on different Sundays. Maybe there will be one Sunday where we'll just pick one person to actually open a wallet for us, and then we'll see how he does it step by step, and then verify. I think I've showed that already, but people still struggle to actually complete the verification.
Hello, Malik.
Yes, Mustafa.
Yeah, I have a verified wallet.
Okay. So great. So if you have a verified wallet, you can actually start trading. You can buy, you can sell, you can do a lot with it.
Okay, like you were suggesting for to use P2P instead of the banks.
Yes. So you can actually do a P2P.
Okay.
If you have a verified wallet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me share my screen. Maybe we can actually try a P2P and we can show how it works.
Okay.
So let me share my screen, and I would ask you to share your pay ID, because Binance has what they call pay ID, right? So if you go to your Binance wallet like this, if you go to your Binance wallet, I don't know whether you're on the Pro version or on the Lite version. If you are on the Pro version, just go on top left corner, right? And then click on pay.
Okay.
If you can't see this, then uncheck the Binance Lite. This needs to be unchecked, and then you will have the Pro version. So you click on pay, right? Once you click on pay, you click on receive or send. So if you're sending to me, you click send, and I will show my pay ID. If you're receiving, you click on receive. So click on receive, right?
Okay.
And then it will show you this. It will generate your pay ID. This is like your account, right? So copy this number here. You can just click on this icon here. You can click and it will copy, and then you can paste it for me, and I will show you how to do a P2P transaction.
All right.
So we can show the rest of the team how P2P is done.
All right.
Are you able to see it?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. So you click on receive, and then you copy the pay ID, and then you send it to me. Can you try and share your screen? Let's see if you can share your screen.
All right, just a moment.
Okay.
I'm trying to share my screen. I don't know where it was.
Okay. Okay, I think I can see. I can see your screen.
Okay.
Great. So you go to Binance. Exactly. Click on receive.
Pay, right?
Yeah, click on pay. Yeah, pay. And then you click on receive.
So this is what I can see.
Just select. Just select receive now. Just click receive now at the bottom.
Receive now. Okay.
I think that's the first time you're doing it. Exactly. So now
You can specify your payment.
Okay. Just copy the code there. My pay ID is. Just copy that.
Okay.
Just click on those icon after the 22. If you click on it, it will copy.
Yeah, I've copied it.
Exactly. So paste it for me, and I'll
Here,
show
right?
you. Yes.
Is it do I paste it where? Under the save QR?
No, send it to me on the chat.
Oh, on the chat. Okay, all right.
Yeah. Okay, great. So I'll pick it from the chat. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll also go to pay, right? And then I'll click on send, and then I'll click on pay ID, right? And this is where I'll paste your ID and then click continue. So it's gonna ask me what coin do I want to send you. This is a stable coin, so I can change this to BUSD because I have BUSD, and I can send, let's say, as low as, I think I can send as low as $1, right? Let's say $5. I can add note and say thanks, and I can just click confirm. Now you will be sent, and this is gonna be free for me, right? At zero cost. I've just sent you $5, and now you can, you see, I just got a message from Binance saying my pay is successful. Now let's see your screen. I think you can open your wallet.
Okay.
Right. Open your wallet. Now go to your home page. Just go back. So you receive notification. You see, there's a notification on top. Open it. So it will tell you you have received crypto from
Yeah,
BUSD.
you have
You
received
have
a
received
payment
a
of
payment of 5
BUSD.
BUSD.
Exactly.
Wow, it's
Wow,
so quick.
it's so quick.
So it's quick. So you can be anywhere in the world and send money, and it's just gonna cost you zero. Now, if you go to your wallet, you can find it in your wallet. Now go back. Go to your wallet. No, go back. The wallet is at the bottom right. Bottom right
Oh,
corner.
oh, oh.
So when you go to funding, you should see. Click on funding. You should see the $5 there. There you go.
Yeah,
Now
confirm.
this $5 you can transfer it to your spot wallet. Click on transfer on top. So I'm gonna show you how to invest this $5.
Okay.
So click on the BTC, change it to the BUSD that you have, because that's BTC. So click on the first one, BUSD, because that's what you have.
Okay.
Click on max. That's the amount. Click on max.
Max.
Yeah. Where you have amount, there's max there. Yeah.
Yes.
Confirm. So what you've basically done is you've moved it from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. Go to your spot wallet.
Spot wallet.
Yeah, on top. You have funding, you have
Yes,
spot.
spot.
So you see, this is how much you have in your wallet. You have 5 BUSD. Now you can invest this 5, and Binance will pay you every day. Now go to earn. Just scroll on top to the right, extreme right.
Extreme right. Earn.
Yes, where you have earn.
Okay.
Exactly. So click OK. This is your first time using it, and click subscribe. Click on subscribe. Subscribe to earn. That yellow button.
Oh yeah.
View all this.
If you click it, the yellow button, subscribe to earn. They wrote subscribe to earn the year.
Yes.
You're gonna click on the BUSD. So they're gonna give you like almost 10%.
Oh, okay.
Click on it. So you're actually, what you're doing is actually doing a fixed deposit. So you click on max. Sorry, it's not fixed deposit, but you're saving your $5. Exactly. So scroll down. So you see they're gonna pay you. This is what they're gonna pay you every day.
Okay.
So you click on I have agreed to the Binance terms and conditions. You can read that if you want.
And confirm.
Yep. So you have successfully subscribed to this. So you have actually invested your money into a stable coin that is yielding an average of an estimated 10% annually. So you can go to your wallet or go to savings. Yeah, click skip, and then you will see your, go back, click back on top. Now this is your wallet. You see, you have invested 5 BUSD. This is where you will see when they pay you. This is where you will see it every day. So you have successfully invested your money into crypto, and you're earning 10%. So this is 10% on dollar. You cannot earn 10% on dollar in Gambia.
No.
And you cannot. Your T-bills, if you do T-bills, they're paying you less than 5%, and that is on Dalasi, not dollar.
Exactly.
If you invest in crypto, you tend to gain more than when you
Yeah.
invest. So you can change your Dalasi, some money of it. If let's say you have $1,000, you can buy crypto, just like what you just did. This is P2P. It means I've given you BUSD, you've given me Dalasi, and that's it. You've done your transaction.
Wow. That's interesting.
That's how you basically invest into cryptocurrencies. So this is just a basic way of investing, and this is for those that are very conservative. You use a stable coin, whereby the price of the coin will not, go up or down. Yeah. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, I'm happy to take them. If you have any more questions.
I'm happy to take them. If not, we can actually wrap it up and call it a day. Asadu, how are you? I think you're trying to speak, but I can't hear you.
Yeah, Pamalik, I'm good. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Good, sir. Alhamdulillah. How is it going?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good,
All
good.
good
I'm
from
just
you,
following
from your
up, boy.
side?
Yeah, good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, nice. All
Yeah,
right,
just
then.
I'm on the traffic now, so I'm following up.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
great.
yes.
I think I'm recording it, so I'll actually post it on the group so people can actually watch it later. And if they have any questions, they can put it on the chat, and we can try and answer it. But yeah, thank you very much for joining. And it's been a very interactive session and interesting. I wish you good luck on your crypto journey.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pamali.
All right, then. You all have a great day.
All right, then.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Yeah, bye bye.